Morning children. Today chapter number 25 grammar. Okay. Letter writing. Now letters serve various purposes ranging from being a medium of exchange of thoughts. You want to tell something to somebody, you have to write and tell. Greetings and information to being a medium of official communication. Even for offices we write letters. Letters can be broadly divided into personal or informal letters, official or formal letters. Notes of invitation or social letters are also written. They may be personal or official depending on the purpose of the letter and the person addressed, means to whom we write. They can be invitations, letters of congratulations, and letters of thanks. Nature of a letter is determined by various factors, including the purpose and the relationship between the writer and the recipient. The different parts of a letter are as follows. Heading. First you write heading indicates the place and time where the letter has been written, and it is placed on the top left hand corner of the letter. The writer's address is written at the top left hand corner of the page. The date follows. The receiver's designation and address is written after the date only in formal letters. Okay. The date should be written in full. Example 15 November 2000 whatever. The name of the month is written in full and never in short. Salutation or the manner in which the recipient is addressed depends upon the type of letter. For informal letters it is usually dear, dearest, followed by the name of the friend or the name by which we call our relations. For formal letters, dear madam, sir or sir, madams is written. The form of salutation varies from person to person depending on the relation with the person addressed and the purpose of writing the letter. To a member of the family we write my dear mother or dear father. To friends we write dear Neha, my dear Neha. To businessmen we write dear sir, dear madam. To officials we write madam or sir. This is written below the date in informal letters. But in formal letters, this is written after the receiver's designation, address, followed by the subject. Examples are given here that I'll explain you. Body of the letter. Now what you will write inside it includes the main substance of the letter. Informal letters are written in conversational style, while formal letters are formal in tone and comparatively short. This is divided into paragraphs. The first paragraph is the introduction. The second gives the reason for writing the letter. And the third paragraph is the conclusion. Now subscription is the concluding part of the letter written at the bottom left hand corner. It is a polite leave taking before the letter ends. It must correspond to the salutation at the beginning. To friends, your sincerely, your loving friend. If you write to a friend, to relatives, your affectionately, your affectionate son, brother, sister. To businessmen and strangers and officials, yours faithfully, yours sincerely. To newspaper editors, yours truly. Now signature of the writer is placed just below the subscription at the bottom left hand corner. In addition to these, a formal letter has the following features. Receiver's designation and address is written below the heading, explained earlier on the left hand side of the letter. Punctuation marks are not used while writing the date, address, salutation or subscription. Subject, which highlights the main purpose behind writing the letter, is mentioned below the receiver's address on the left hand side. Now see first example. Write an application to the principal of your school for issue of a duplicate identity card since you lost your original one. Now here see the principal, so and so school, then address, Kolkata, and here date. Subject, in that you have to write subject. Request for a duplicate identity card. Dear sir. Now below sir only you have to start the letter. With due respect, I would like to inform you that I lost my identity card when I was playing in the school ground during recess. Therefore, I would request you to kindly grant permission for issue of a duplicate identity card for me. Yours obediently, Pratul Sen, standard so and so. Now, example 2. That's also like this only, application to principal. This you will have to learn for your examinations. Okay? Application this 1, 2 examples you have to prepare. Now, page number 192. Sorry, 93, 92. Yeah. Therefore, I request you, these formal letters like this will write. See, you have to fill yourself. Now, example 4. All examples you have to do yourselves only, children. These are examples only. Till page 193. So, your letter writing for formal letters is over here in 194. See. Informal. Okay. Write a letter to your friend requesting him or her to lend a digital camera during your holidays. Okay, you are going somewhere in holidays and you want a camera from your friend. How will you write? First is the address, 4th Panchil Road, Nawabganj, Barakpur, date, the dear's written. I hope you are well and making plans for your summer vacation. I am also busy with preparations as I would be traveling to Switzerland along with my aunt and uncle. We would be living on so and so. Now, this children you will have to learn. All examples you have to prepare yourselves. Because letter writing comes from standard 1 onwards. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. All examples you are going to do yourselves. Page 196 also. Okay. I am not going to send you PDF of this. You have to learn directly from your grammar book. Okay. Chapter number 25. So the lesson is completed. So all of you start preparing. Okay. Bye.